Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to clear search suggestions on Instagram. So simply you can see this is our profile. So what we need to do, just click on the search bar. Here you can see I have already these two members. So simply you can type here the random name, like I am typing this name. So when you open this profile, this is available in your search suggestions. So simply we add another profile. Here you can see when you open the profile, these all are available in your search suggestions. So how to remove these suggestions from search? So simply just click on see all. So here you can see all the lists of members. Simply you can remove them one by one. So just click on the cross button. So now if you want to clear all suggestions, just click on clear all button. Now here you can clear all the suggestions from search history. So in this way you can clear search suggestions on Instagram.